my beautiful and makeup loving friends. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Emily and today I am bringing you another indie interest. Today we're going to be talking all about the new indie makeup releases. I have a lot to talk about today, so let's jump right in. I am really excited to show you guys all these new products because there are so many good indie releases right now. Let's jump right on in. Bombshell Cosmetica, formerly known as Bombshell Lashes, has announced their new Candylicious palette. This palette is going to be retailing for $28.99 and will be available on August 7th on their website. This palette will be consisting of 18 different shades, 6 shimmers, and 12 mattes. All of these shades are beautiful, fun, bright colors, and the foils look to be amazing. The packaging of this palette is very reminiscent of a candy box, and all of the shades inside are named after fruit or sweet things. The brand will also be having a sale on their lashes the day that this goes live on August 27th. Certain styles of lashes will be as low as $4.99, and supposedly these are some good lashes because these are the lashes that Cardi B wears. Now, next up we have another beautiful, fun, colorful palette, and this is the LA Splash Classic Horror Palette version 2. So far we don't know much about this palette, but we do know what it looks like on the inside and the outside. So to me, the two most important things. This palette will be coming in September and further details will be announced hopefully soon. Next up, one of my favorite brands, MeGlow Cosmetics, has recently launched their makeup bags. These makeup bags will be retailing for $17.25 on the MeGlow website. The makeup bags come in a variety of different colors like baby pink, berry, black, dusty rose, mint, peach, and tropical orange. They are also coming out with a new glitter and eyeshadow single split pan. The split pan duo will be consisting of one matte shade called Makeup of the Day, which is a beautiful camel brown, and a pressed glitter called Glittery, which is a beautiful gold, brown, and silver glitter shadow. And this duo will be retailing for $11. I am also very happy to announce that MeGlow Cosmetics is finally coming out with single eyeshadows of all of the eyeshadows that they have in their palette and in their range. And those will be available on August 31st, so save up your money because MeGlow is awesome. The very popular indie brand Melt Cosmetics is also coming out with a brand new lipstick collection called the Roleplay Collection. Each lipstick in this line will retail for $19. The lipstick line consists of Pink Hills, which is a pink lipstick, Frisky, which is a cinnamon nude, Last Kiss, which is a strawberry sorbet, Lucretia, which is a seductive blood red, and Novelty, which is a radiant orchid. These colors are absolutely beautiful for the up and coming fall season. And finally, for the new indie releases, Labelle U.K is coming out with their Color Splash palette. This colorful palette will be available on August 31st and will be retailing for $20. This palette consists of some beautiful bright shades. You get a nice variety of purples, pinks, oranges, reds, and even green. Now, because my indie interest videos are usually very short because indie brands are not releasing everything left and right like most brands typically do that are on the more mainstream side of the beauty community, I want to really have a section in here to spotlight some new indie products that I've recently seen and that I've recently tried or that I'm going to be trying soon. So I'm going to go ahead and get that started today with Looxie's new duochrome highlighters. These highlighters retail for $7.50 on the Looksee beauty website. Some beautiful highlighter colors that stood out to me are Voodoo, which is a green iridescent highlight shade, Ever After, which is a duochrome highlighter that shifts from light beige to lilac, Charmed, a pink, purple, blue, and green multichrome highlighter, Goddess, which is a beautiful pink to gold highlighter, Luna, a blue iridescent highlight, Stripped, a pink iridescent highlight, Pandora, a lilac, silver, and pink multichrome highlighter, and finally Stiletto, which is an iridescent gold highlight. I recently placed an order for Stripped, Stiletto, and Goddess, and I cannot wait to try these. I'm definitely going to bring you guys a video. I purchased a bunch of new stuff from Looksee, so I'm basically just going to do an all-around brand review for the brand, but I really wanted to spotlight these specific iridescent or duochrome highlighters that Looksee has available because for a long time I was considering purchasing the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, which has duochrome iridescent highlights in it, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, which also has duochrome kind of iridescent type shades. But those palettes retail from $35 to $40, I believe, so they're pretty expensive. And I've tried Looxi highlighters before, and I have one on my cheeks right now. I absolutely love their highlighter formula. They are so buttery and smooth, and they perform like a high-end highlighter, but they're at a drugstore price for $7.50. So I knew that I had to just share with the world that they have these highlighters available, because I haven't really heard anyone talk about them. In fact, I haven't heard anyone talk about them at all. And I think that they deserve a little bit of love because they just look so freaking gorgeous. I cannot wait to try them, but based on my personal experience with Looxi highlighters already, I have very high hopes and I'm sure they're going to be amazing. But with that being said, that is going to be wrapping up indie interests for this week. Please let me know down in the comments below, what are some new indie releases that have been catching your eye? Because there are a lot right now, and I'm really excited with all this color that we're seeing and all these fun highlighters and eyeshadows and all that jazz. I think that we are really moving in a great direction in the beauty community as far as indie releases go, and I cannot wait to see what all of these brands have in store for us, especially within these next couple of months while we're moving into the fall season and even the winter season. I cannot freaking wait to see what we have in store as far as indie brands go. But I do hope that you consider subscribing if you have not already. I am doing all sorts of makeup goodness happening here on this channel. I do indie interests every 2 or 3 weeks on my channel, and if you do want to catch up with some new mainstream makeup releases, I release Pay or Stay Away every single Monday, and I have a playlist that I will link in one of the corners up here. If you are not already subscribed and you would like to be, I would love to see you hit that button down below. I do also hope that you consider giving me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed these indie releases, and turn that notification bell on down below if you are interested in knowing when I upload, because I do very often. But I hope you are having an absolutely amazing and fabulous day wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye!